Hello! Do you want to know how to produce short films, advertising, or maybe one day a feature film or a series? Then this course is for you. From script to video, how to turn stories into a movie is an easy to understand course with practical examples in every lesson. I am University Professor Larissa Perfeito. I have a degree and post-degree in communication, and I work at the North America Television, America's Broadcasting Company, the ABC. I have more than 15 years of experience in teaching audiovisual production in São Paulo, Brazil, and I bring in this course practical examples that I produce by myself to help you to understand and make your own stories productions. To take this course, you just need internet access. This course is for students, actors, storytellers, video makers, photographers, and future video directors. It's for beginners in audiovisual production who want to record video stories and understand the whole process. There are 4 units. In the first unit, you will learn about the script, treatment, chroma key, and 180-degree rule. In the second, we will learn about shots, composition, direction, camera movements, continuity, and actor's direction. In Unit 3, white balance, focus, clapperboard, and sound. And finally, you will understand how the recording day works, learning the concepts about lighting, checklist, audiovisual functions, and editing. It is a vision of the path you will take when you want to transform what is written into what can be watched. We are in a digital and visual world. We have cell phones and computers producing videos. The difference between who will really produce stories and who will not is discipline and knowledge.